head to the crypto space now, see what's going on. I know Laddie has been talking about post-halving, but I'll have my own conversation today. Post-halving, this time last week, we were talking about halving coming up, and it came up on Saturday sometime during the day. So now let's see what's happening post-halving. Post-halving, we've seen BTC as kind of steady for a bit, around 60s. It's gone to 64. It's been doing about 62, 63 since halving. So it's up 0.81% for in the last couple of hours. Ethereum is also positive. Solana, XRP. Solana is in the red. XRP, Cardano, and FX are, however, in the green. So we say it's a mixed color. A beautiful color there, although if that's only if you are making some money. But let's look at the headlines. So post-halving, less than a week since halving, what's going on? And then also there's a crypto firm, Consensus, which is suing US SEC over Ethereum regulation. That's also one of the stories going on there around the crypto space. And then Hong Kong has approved spot Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it starts trading on April the 30th. That's for Hong Kong right there. So these are some of the big stories. So let's have Onua try to, give some details of all of this, especially the post-halving. Hi, Onua. Good afternoon. You seem to be my Friday friend, my Friday crypto friend.
Yes. Good afternoon. Thanks for having me.
Good to have you. So post-halving, we've seen very sluggish movement around Bitcoin. How long do we expect this? I know last week we had this conversation. That was before. Now it's after. How long do we expect this sluggish movement? When is the action coming?
It is expected actually because currently before the halving, we had a big move by Bitcoin up to that of $74,000 before the halving. This is actually the first time we're seeing this kind of movement and the momentum of the movement before the halving. So after the halving like that, the market has been consolidating. Bitcoin and Ethereum has actually moved less than 1% within the past 24 hours. So currently it's kind of like sideways movement right now. So we still have to be a little bit patient because the market is currently not consolidated.
And then this a crypto firm suing SEC, they're saying that SEC does not have the jurisdiction or the grounds that crypto tokens are not securities. I know this is not new, but when we have challenges like this, what does it do to sentiment?
Consensus actually have been around for quite some time. As a matter of fact, Consensus actually are co-founders of the Ethereum itself. Ethereum is currently number 2 of all the crypto giants. So I understand how they feel. Normally, SEC actually have overstepped their boundaries to some extent, trying to regulate this way, because we also have what is called a CFTC, that's Commodity Future Trading Commission. Those are the certain bodies that actually are in line with cryptos, securities, and the technology behind crypto. So leaving off that particular regulatory body, and SEC is coming on board to want to file a lawsuit against against Consensus. So Consensus now file a suit against them, telling that they don't have that power. Because as of last year, 2023, they did the same thing to Binance and Coinbase. And eventually they went through court sessions here and there before the case was actually died down. I think they tried this early this year again. And I think the federal government of the US actually gave a ruling against SEC over stepping their boundaries, and they said they went too far. So I think in the crypto space, we have to have a balance between the cryptocurrency. As a security, it's not supposed to be a security. It is a commodity. You understand? So that's why CFTC comes in. So, but SEC is trying to just overstep the boundaries, and I think it's a little bit political.
I think it's political, but anyway, it's not in Nigeria. But in Hong Kong, we've seen final approval for ETFs starting from April 30. What can this do to the market?
Before the Hong Kong ETF is a program, US too did their own early this year approval of ETF. It allows, that's the essence of the the crypto space. It allows the regulation within the ETF for investors to be able to come into the space and be able to trade crypto without actually owning the crypto. We have like two sessions of it, which is the spot and also the future aspect of it. So the approval of the cryptocurrency space actually give more opportunities for investors to come in.
All right. Well, I will hope one of these stories, one of these days. I mean, we have a new leadership at SEC now in Nigeria, so we'll see what his sentiments are about crypto and all of that. But Oduwa, thank you so much for your time this afternoon.
Yeah, thank you very much for having me. Yes.